So that's one learning. I've been very fortunate to always work in digital banks or fintechs that have been focused on consumer lending in the early days. So sequencing. The second thing I think is that, in my view, maybe this is very controversial, but there's no such thing as a platform play in retail lending. So there are platforms that can be reused in different markets. Components can be reused in different markets. But retail lending and actually consumer financial services in general are very, very local. So it's very difficult to land a platform. You can land a platform and cover, let's say, 3 use cases out of the 10 use cases that most consumers have in the market. And that'll get you some customers, but it certainly won't be top of their wallet, as it were, the virtual wallet. You have to become deeply local in order to cover at least, let's say, 6 or 7 of the 10 use cases. But if you really want to be successful, you have to cover 11, 12 out of 10 use cases that customers need in that market. And each market is radically different regulation, different competitive landscape, different consumer behavior, different payments infrastructure, et cetera, et cetera. And so if you want to be successful, you have to go deep, very local, be very committed in a single market before you go on to the next. So this idea that you have a platform that you can plug and play, maybe it works in payments, to a certain extent B2C, B2B for sure. It may work in retail brokerage, again, to a certain extent, but in retail lending and deeper retail payments and cards, it doesn't work.
And